guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this rocket bubble blaster. I absolutely love it, guys. I actually got it for my little nephew and he really loves using it. Anytime he comes over to my house, he just wants me to start using this bubble blaster, but I'm actually going to show you how it works. So first off, it comes with the rocket bubble blaster. Also, it comes with some bubbles. So this is a little like bottle of bubbles, and it also comes with 5 little packets of the bubbles as well, but I already used all 4 and now I only have one left, which is the one that I'm going to be using in this video. And it also comes with a little tray, so we're just going to place the little bubbles here and then we're going to dip it. We're going to dip the rocket bubble blaster and then we're going to start pressing it. So this is how it looks. It's super cute, guys. It actually has 69 holes in total, so whenever you press the button, it blows off a lot of bubbles. It also has the LED lights in case you didn't notice when I turned it on. It also comes with a rechargeable battery, guys, so you don't have to buy any battery. All you have to do is just screw off the little cap here and then place the battery in and then screw it back on. But let me go ahead and show you how it works, guys. I'm super excited. I'm gonna show you how I place the bubbles in here and then how we dip it and use it. And whenever you're done with the packs, guys, you can use the little bubbles that come inside this little bottle. I'm almost done with them. I actually only have this one left. I already finished all 4 of them. My little nephew absolutely loves them, guys, and he's always wanting to use it every time he comes to the house. So we broke off the seal. All we do is just pour it in like this. And that's it. We're going to dip in the little rocket here. So we already dipped it, and then this is how it works. Ready? Let's do it again. We're just going to dip it into the bubbles and then we're just going to play it. I really love it, guys. It's super cute, super fun. Your kids are going to love it. It's amazing. And we still have a lot of bubbles left on the tray, guys. I think it lasts you probably around 4, 5, 6 tries. But anyways, guys, I really love this little rocket bubble blaster. My nephew absolutely loves it and I'm pretty sure your kids are gonna love it as well.